Hi, and welcome to another Facebook Live series. I am Candace Tyler, and I am the Community Relations Coordinator here at BizIQ. And during this Facebook Live series, we are giving you actionable tips that you can implement to your marketing today. Not next week, not once you save up enough funds. We're giving you actionable tips today. And I am joined by the ever talented director and cinematographer and digital media specialist Alex Taylor. And today we are going to be going over smartphone video production. Thank you for joining us today, Alex.
And thank you, Candace, for having me. I'm glad to be part of this Facebook Live Friday.
Thank you. Now, I know what you guys may be thinking. You're a small business owner. What do you need to know about video production? Well, the truth is you need to know everything about video production because 85% of marketing is going to be done by videos by the end of 2020. Do you believe it?
I do.
And if that is not enough to convince you, viewers claim that they retain 95% of messages when attained via video.
Yes, that's right, Candace. And even if you're just on Facebook, video content is literally everywhere. This includes video posts from friends, business pages, and even well-known content creators who are more associated with YouTube. Social media has now grown and been enhanced by not just stunning still images, but even short and catching videos that last for less than a minute.
This
It's
is
really
true.
changing. Yes, it is.
So let's dive right into 4 tips that we are going to give you to take your smartphone video production to the next level. Without further ado, our tip number 1, write out what you are going to say. Even if it's going to be something that is short and sweet, please write it out. This is going to help you to make sure that everything you want to say is going to be in the points, and it is going to keep your thoughts clear and concise. Number 2.
Which will be my territory. That was a great tip, Candace. And to follow into that, this guideline goes specifically into how to film a video on your smartphone itself. When you're filming it on a smartphone, you have to keep your aspect ratio in mind. And what I mean by that is, for those who don't know, is whether you're filming vertical or if you're filming horizontal, or hot dog and hamburger. Usually, when you're filming hamburger style, which is horizontal, usually that has to do with filming a video for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. It's
Right.
standard HD, 1920 by 1080. However, if you're filming things for like, I don't know, like a story on your Facebook or Instagram, or you're filming a Facebook Live just like this, or a
Mhm.
Snapchat event, it's going to be vertical or
Mhm.
hot dog. So just keep that in mind when you're filming a shot that you're going to be using for one of these platforms.
Mm. And moving on to our third tip is your lighting source. Always review your video before you post it. And when you're reviewing your video, think about these things. Is there a shadow? What does the lighting look like on my face? Can you depict the certain things on my face? Can you see my nose, my mouth, my eyes? All of those things are very important. One place that you can typically find some great lighting is in your kitchen. So you can take your smartphone and place it on your windowsill and use your front facing camera to address your audience. Now, when you are addressing your audience, don't worry if you stumble over a few words. Those stumbles make you more personable and kind of give your audience a little bit personality, because we're all human. We all make mistakes, so just keep pushing.
Candace, that's an excellent tip.
Thank
And to
you.
follow that up with the fourth and final tip, actually, is going to be using video creation tools as apps on your smartphone. Today, there are so many video tools that you can use to edit straight on your smartphone instead of having to go through the humdrum of exporting it off.
Mhm.
So, some free video tools you can use that come with most smartphones are tools like Boomerang, Video Shop, iMovie. These are all free tools that you can use to increase your video content or to be able to edit video that's going to go on your business page.
Yes.
However, if you want to spend a little bit of money and want to get a subscription tool, a couple tools that can actually enhance your video experience when it comes to editing would be tools like Mojo, Quick, Unfold, Ripple. All these actually keep the aspect ratios I mentioned in the previous tip I had mentioned, and they actually transition well within each of one of these tools for the most
Mhm.
part.
And some of those tools even have a free version. So if you're not ready to invest into them, you can use their free version. Try it out and see if that's something that you want to invest in the future.
Yeah, I would highly recommend Mojo. It's definitely good for making short 15-second video ads for your business.
I love Mojo. Yes. Well, that is a wrap for this week, folks. Like I said, please drop us a line if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Alex and I would love to follow up if you have anything else. Next week, you can catch us at here every Friday at noon. We will be talking about conversational marketing in 2020, also known as chatbots. These lead generation tools are making some big waves in a lot of different industries, and so we definitely want to make sure we're tackling that topic. Thank you, Alex, for joining us.
And thank you for having me.
Yes, and we will see you guys next week.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Bye.